Hello there, welcome to our channel. So you guys might know that Xiaomi is prepping to launch Mi Pad 5. Even I made a video on that a while back. But as it turns out, some new leaks have made its way on Weibo, producing conflicting information with regards to processor choice. According to a Chinese leaker whose Weibo handle can be machine translated as Stone Machine, yeah, they have some pretty weird naming scheme. Anyways, he says there will be 3 tablets, each sporting a different chip. The primary tablet among them, the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 Pro, will sport Snapdragon 888 chipset, which makes complete sense. Then there would be a powerful Snapdragon 870 for Mi Pad 5 Plus, and the regular Mi Pad 5 tablet would end up sporting a Snapdragon 768G. Now the interesting thing is that the Stone Machine says he doesn't know if this information is genuine, which means we cannot believe this leak as some final piece of information and things might change later on. Other rumors point out that the tablets might be equipped with Snapdragon 860, 870 and 888 chipset. So one thing we can be sure about is that the high-end model will most definitely use Snapdragon 888, while next to it, the Plus model will use Snapdragon 870. The only confusion is about Mi Pad 5, whether it will use Snapdragon 860 or 768G. Moving on, there is a different leaker who provided codenames for these devices. His Twitter account is @XiaomiUI, and the codenames for these tablets are Enuma, Elish and Nabu, with model numbers K81, K81A and K82 respectively. According to the information shared by him, the tablets will have IPS display with 2560 by 800 pixel resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. These displays will have a brightness level of 410 nits. The source also adds that the tablet codenamed Enuma will have 48 megapixel primary rear camera, while the other two will have 12 megapixel primary rear camera. All 3 will have 4 rear cameras, that includes an ultra-wide camera, a macro camera and a depth camera. It is also stated that the tablets will have NFC, quad speakers, wireless charging and ultra-fast charging. And yesterday, another leaker from China, popularly known as Digital Chat Station, revealed some information on the display of the upcoming tablets. According to the report, the engineering model uses a 11-inch 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution LCD screen. This screen supports a 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen driver is a Novatech TDDI panel. It also comes with a pressure sensitive level of 4096. These display specs make more sense than what Xiaomi UI shared. Anyways, all 3 tablets should launch under Mi Pad line, run MIUI based on Android out of the box, and should launch first in China before a global release. And with that, we are at the end of this video. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.